My name is Miguel Galarion. I'm in Year 12 at St. Lawrence's College. So I study English, biology, chemistry, physics, math methods extension. So I finished the Year 12 course at the end of Year 11 and math specialist. They're all pretty challenging. The college is supporting me. They have a lot of academic programs, not just for me, but for other boys. I know they have, for each subject, they have different tutoring sessions before and after school. So before school Wednesdays, that's science tutoring, which is really helpful for me because I do 3 of them. You know, it's the teachers giving up their own time, and it's more one-on-one, so you can get one-on-one support as well. They're all pretty challenging, but my favorite argument's got to be chemistry out of all of them. It's just so applicable. You do a lot of fun experiments, but there's also, you know, the aspect of challenge that's still there. I've got the Ducks of the Year for a few years, so that's just the highest GPA in my grade. But I've also got a Principal's Award for the past few years, which is just to commemorate outstanding service to the college. This year I've got my brother with me in Year 5. I have my brothers proud of me. I love Lauries. I love being a part of this community. I love how we're a large community of 1900 individuals, yet we're so connected in our brotherhood. We've got such a close-knit community. Everyone's your mate. You can reach out to anyone if you're in a time of need, and just no one's left behind in this community. And that's what I feel really special to be part of Lauries. Yeah, you help a lot of people with the hard work you put in. So as long as I'm doing the grunt work, helping people, making stuff that helps people, I'm happy. I'm settled.